Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is high definition newborn digital backdrops in JPG file. You can use anywhere in Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, but these files are protected. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, buy now for lifetime, all password in this app. And here is Facebook page, join me for latest video, and last is my Telegram channel, Sheri official. Subscribe me for notification of latest video or any new update. Okay, so here is total 25 files. This file size is 16 5000. Amazing. So you can change color in Photoshop, for example. I know you can do easily. Press Ctrl U. Red. Oh, okay. And second option is image. Selective color. Yellow. Here is red. Sorry, image. No. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.